Hi, and welcome to MediaCasa. When you first start the application, you'll be greeted by a welcome screen with a few steps to get everything set up. Let me walk you through it. The first slide you see is an introduction to MediaCasa. Here you'll find a video that gives a quick overview of what the application can do for you. You can watch it now or skip ahead to set things up. Whatever works for you. Next, we move on to setting up your monitored folders. These are the folders where you keep your photos and videos, and MediaCasa will pull from these to help you organize everything. You can select as many folders as you want, and each folder can include subfolders too. At this stage, you need to define at least one folder for the application to monitor. Don't worry though, you can come back later and add or remove folders anytime you need. Now on the next slide, you'll choose your home folder. This is where MediaCasa will save your organized albums. Each album will be saved as a folder, placed inside a year folder, with each file named by the date, album name, group name if you've defined one, and a counter for easy organization. If you have an external drive and want to save your albums there, you can set that as your home folder. And again, you can change this folder anytime later, so it's flexible. Lastly, the fourth slide lets you decide if you want to remove the original source files from your monitored folders after they're saved into albums. If you check this option, MediaCasa will automatically remove those files once they're organized and saved. This is useful if you don't want duplicates clogging up your storage. However, if you prefer to keep your original files even after they've been saved to albums, just leave this option unchecked. In other words, this choice decides whether your files are copied or moved to your home folder during album saving. And that's it. You're all set up to start organizing your media with MediaCasa. Thanks for following along, and happy organizing.